In my last video, when we discussed the PCOS or PCOD problem, I told you a lot of exercises for the same. So I got a lot of comments from the ladies, and they are all asking for the fertility thing. They're getting some problems in conceiving. A few of them even are in a stress that they are trying it for 3 months or 4 months, and if they are not getting successful, they are getting a lot of stress for that. So let me tell you, if you are under 30 years of age, so you can try for a year easily, and still if you're not able to conceive, then only you should go consult a doctor. But if your age is more than 30, then 6 months time is a good time to try. After that, you can go and talk to a gynae. Before we start this video, I will be telling you a few things that will make you fit and enable to conceive. A few exercises that will boost your fertility. But before that, let me tell you a few things you should take care of. Like the good time to get pregnant. So what happens whenever your period starts? So count it as day 1. From day 1 to day 9 are comparatively the periods when ovulation does not take place. So the right time to meet your partner is from 9th day to 20th day. And the egg comes from the ovary and it comes through the fallopian tube, it comes through the uterus. And fallopian tube is the area where the sperm meets the egg and a lady gets fertile. So you should take care that whenever you are trying to conceive, that your ovaries, your fallopian tubes and uterus needs to be clear. Clear means the walls of the ovaries and the uterus should not be filled with the cysts or fibroids. You should take care of that. If you're not getting pregnant, you should go for a scanning that case. So let me tell you a check that if you try to conceive, before that, what all things you should be checking. First of all, you should be having a healthy body, so that is free of diseases. Your tube, that is ovaries, fallopian tube and uterus, should be in a healthy condition. For that you can go for a scanning. The other thing, you should stay out of stress. So learn how to manage stress. For that you can do a lot of pranayams, some meditation also, that will help you out. If still you are not able to get pregnant, so what all things you should take care of? Go for a scanning, go for your thyroid test, and if everything is normal at your side, so I advise you that you should ask your husband to go for a sperm test. Still you have some questions, so I'll be making a question and answer video next. So if something is left, you can ask in the comment section and I'll answer you for sure. For the PCOD, PCOS problems and some other things that hinders you to conceive, I made a video earlier also, so you can watch this video. The link is there in the description box down under. Let's do some exercises that will help you to boost your fertility and that will help you to conceive. Let's go for it. Let me introduce you a yoga enthusiast, Akanksha Rajput. So let's start with butterfly. Take your feet together. Pull your feet very close to the body and move your knees down and up. Make sure the back is straight. Expand your chest. Lean a little forward. Keep moving the knees bigger. You should be starting it with 50 to 100 repetitions and gradually take it to 400-500. Breathing is normal. Relax. Let's do the same butterfly posture, but this time we'll do it in a lying down position. Let's turn a little sideways. Lie down and move your knees. Up, down. Feet are still together. Hands down. You can do this butterfly like to start with 50 to 100 times maybe, but gradually taking your practice up, take it to 400-500 at a time. Remember, all the exercises should be done empty stomach. Relax. Turning sideways. Sit straight up. The next exercise is Malasana. So you need to sit, keeping your feet hip distance apart, feet parallel to each other. Make a namaste at your chest, pushing your elbows, with your elbows pushing your knees wider. Look forward, keep pushing the knees wide. Stay for some time. The same exercise will also stretch your pelvic area. Keep holding. You may hold it from 30 to 60 seconds as per your capacity. Back should be straight. Breathing is normal. Relax. Easy. Let's do some twisting exercise now. In a lying down position, we'll do the twisting, coming in the chair pose. So let's lie down, Akanksha. Lie down, bend your legs in, open your arms parallel to the shoulders. Then raise your feet up parallel to the knees, pushing the knees a little forward. Make sure that thighs are perpendicular to the ground, toes pointing out, arms down, shoulders down. Let's go down right side first, exhaling. Inhale up, exhale down left, inhale up, exhale down right, inhale up, exhale down, 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 up, down. Keep going for a few more times. We should start with around 15 repetitions each side and gradually taking it up to 30-40 each side. Come center, relax, drop the feet down, take your hands forward, close to the hip region. Let's do the halasana now. So adjust yourself. Now raise your legs up, the hands remain down and slowly raising the pelvis up, drop the toes down. Knees should be straight and high, hands down on the mat, pull the abdomen in, go long with the neck, hold. You should be holding it for half minute to 1 minute. That means 30 to 60 seconds is good enough. Gently raise the legs up side. Dropping your back down. Drop the legs down. Easy. Stay in a lying down position for a while. Relax. Let the circulation of blood go normal. The next one is bridge pose. We'll do a pelvic tilt in the bridge pose. So we need to bend both the legs in feet hip distance apart, hands close to the feet. Inhale to raise the pelvis up. Now we'll feel that there is a coffee cup at the pelvis and we need to pour the coffee down to the right side first. So raising the left hip up. Twist right hip a little down, left hip a little up. That will be stimulating the area where your ovaries are located. You may hold it for 15 seconds to half a minute. Breathing is normal. Slowly come center. Then raise the right hip up. Drop the left one little down. Pelvic tilt in the bridge pose. You're continuously looking up. Breathing is normal. Come center and gently come down. Relax. Easy. Let's slowly turn to the side and sit straight up. Sitting comfortable. Let's do the Bhuna Manasana now. Opening the legs wider. Make sure the toes are facing up. The back is absolutely straight. Inhale, raise the hands up. Now exhaling, drop your hands down in front, slowly pushing the head forward, forward, forward. Take your time and gently take the head down on the ground. Toes are always facing up, remember that. You may hold it from half a minute to 1 minute again, as per your capacity, but do not push too much. Very good stretch at the pelvic region again. Look forward. Inhale to raise your hands up. Stretch your back straight. Slowly roll the hands down. Slowly take your feet in front. Let's bump your thighs for a while. Relax. A little butterfly to relax the inner thighs and the pelvis. The next posture is Cobra pose. We need to come in a lying down position. Let's lie down on the stomach. Taking your feet together and flat, toes, heels touching each other. Take your palms close to the rib cage. Slowly inhale to raise your head up, raise the chest up. Your pelvis is touching down. Inhale to come up. Look upside. Stretch your throat completely. Once again, hold it for around half a minute, around 30 seconds. Make sure your shoulders are not popping up. Expand the chest. Press your pelvis down. Slowly come down. Easy. Relax for a while. The next one is Purasana. So you need to bend your both legs in. Hold the ankles, keeping the knees a little apart. Inhale to raise your legs up, raise the head and chest also up. Be on your belly. Inhale and go up. Once again, holding it for around half a minute. Come down slowly. Let's go to the child's pose. Rolling back, sit between the heels, forehead down in front. Relaxing back and the head. Slowly roll up. Sit straight. I told you that to meet with your partner, starting from your period, day 1, 9th day to 20th day is the best time to conceive. So you should be meeting your partner at least in alternate days. And just after meeting a partner, you should be doing the exercise which we are going to show you. Do it for around 1 minute to 3 minutes. This exercise will use the prop, that is the pillows or the cushion. We need to have a little thickness, so we are using 3 cushions. Let's do it. Akanksha, lie down and raise your both legs up. The hip region should be touching just at the wall. You need to go up and I'll put the cushions here. So you need to hold it for around a minute. You can do it this way. You can even open your legs wider. That is also fine. So you should be holding it for a minute, either keeping the feet together or maybe keeping the feet apart. Take your feet together again. Slowly turn down to the side and sit straight up, please. Sit in a comfortable posture. I wish and I hope that these exercises will certainly help you to conceive. All the best from my side. Thank you so much.